Well, we're kind of finished on the Stag now. She is all good. The guy came, fitted the new windscreen, didn't take him very long at all, and even brought biscuits in order to make sure that he repaid me for having forgotten the glass last time he came. Classic. So yeah, we've done just about everything to rebuild this and make it absolutely fab. So she's looking a treat. The only thing we didn't do was the paint work, and this car will need to go back to the painter to have some more paint work sorted out, because it's not perfect, but you know, that's often the way. So yeah, John's coming with the bumpers tomorrow. He's been working hard on those, and then we can get the bumpers on and she will be done. She is looking good. I love that yellow. That is fab. In the inside, everything looks great on the inside. In fact, this is all the original stuff. It was all in really good condition. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's what I say. The overdrive gave me a little bit of grief, only because the wiring didn't seem to work properly, but that's all good now and all fixed up, and she starts and runs on the button, thanks to the electronic ignition that put into it. Also put in header tank, electric fan to assist as well, so everything's good. No overheating issues going on here. So yeah, she's looking good. So I think we'll be on to the next project.